Hello friends, thank you for tuning into our channel. In this video, we will be talking about the classification of accounting. Welcome to our channel, and for all those first-timers, this is little as 5 minutes, your one-stop destination to learn a new lesson in just less than 5 minutes. Accounting is generally classified into 3 different disciplines: financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. Let's understand these classifications briefly, one by one. Financial accounting is the process of recording, summarizing and reporting financial information of business organizations for the benefit of internal and external stakeholders. Financial data is disclosed in the form of annual, or monthly, quarterly reports as per the accounting standards published by the regulators. Management accounting involves the presentation and interpretation of financial and related operational information with the objective of helping management to efficiently carry out its planning, implementation and control activities efficiently. Some of the frequently used techniques in management accounting include ratio analysis, budgetary control, financial planning and analysis, marginal costing, etc. Cost accounting is a subset of management accounting and focuses on tracking and controlling the actual cost of products, services, operations, facilities, etc. Providing information to help management tracking variances between budgeted and actual costs is an important element of cost accounting. Managers leverage cost accounting to optimize the cost structure of their organizations, thereby improving the bottom line. As is the case with management accounting, cost accounting practices are implemented based on the requirements of the organizations and do not need to follow any standard guidelines or policies. Therefore, the primary use of cost accounting is to provide information sought by internal managers. Let us know how you find this lesson. Did you find this useful? Do you have any related information you would like to share? Leave it in the comments below, we love hearing from you. And if you liked our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I bet this would be helpful to them as well. Also, this will motivate me to make more similar lessons. Hit subscribe and ring the bell right now to stay updated on more such little interesting lessons that will matter the most. Stay tuned.